Hello, my dear friends. This is Minu Chandra Mandal presents a quiz on the river Ganges. Let us start the quiz. What is the longest river in India? The river Ganga. The river Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier near Gaumukh. The river Ganga, which rises from the Gangotri Glacier near Gaumukh in the Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand, is known as. I repeat the question. The river Ganga, which rises from the Gangotri Glacier near Gaumukh in the Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand, is known as the Bhagirathi. At what place does the river Bhagirathi meet the Alaknanda? Devaprayag. When the river Bhagirathi meets with the Alaknanda, it is known as Ganga. Which of the following Ganga tributary originates from the Amrakantak plateau? Son. Which river originates from the Nepal-China border in Tibet and joins Ganga near Hajipur, Bihar? I repeat the question. Which river originates from the Nepal-China border in Tibet and joins Ganga near Hajipur, Bihar? Gandak. Which tributary of the Ganga river is popularly known as Sorrow of Bihar? The Koshi River. What is the full name of the river Koshi? Saptakoshi River. Which are the left bank tributaries of Ganga river? Ramaganga, Koshi and Mahananda. India's highest dam, Tehri, is located on which river? Bhagirathi. The Gandak river is also known as the Narayani. Which of the following tributary of Ganga originates from Nepal-Sikkim border and joins Ganga in Bangladesh? I repeat the question. Which of the following tributary of Ganga originates from Nepal-Sikkim border and joins Ganga in Bangladesh? Mahananda River. What is the name of the environment initiative taken by the Government of India to save the river Ganga from pollution? I repeat the question. What is the name of the environment initiative taken by the government to save the river Ganga from pollution? Ganga Action Plan. What is the Indo-Gangetic Plain also known as? Four-Deep or Foreland Basin. What is the name of the first British canal in India? The Ganges Canal. What is the name of the dam constructed on Bhagirathi River, tributary of the Ganga? Tehri Dam. What is the name of the dam constructed on Son River, tributary of the Ganga? Bansagar Dam. What is the name of the Hindu pilgrimage in which Hindus gather at the river Ganges? Kumbh Mela. Which city is the largest city on the Ganges? Kanpur. Which of the following Ganga tributary is also known as Tons? I repeat the question. Which of the following Ganga tributaries is also known as Tons? Indica. You see the correct match of the rivers and the place given here. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets at Devaprayag. Mandakini and Alaknanda meets at Rudraprayag. Pinda and Alaknanda meets at the place Karnaprayag. And Dhauli Ganga and Alaknanda meets at Vishnu Prayag. Thanks a lot for watching my videos.